What you will need for this tutorial is a plain piece of paper, a pencil, ruler and scissors, and a black fine liner or a black biro, and either some colourful fine liners or colourful felt tips. So for this tutorial we will be making a Zentangle bookmark. So in terms of your measurements for your Zentangle bookmark, you need to make sure that you are doing the length of 15 centimetres by about 4 centimetre width. If you need some help doing this, then ask an adult to help you. Once you've drawn your rectangle bookmark, you are then ready to cut it out. So what is Zentangle art? Well, Zentangle art is a way that you can draw lovely patterns within a shape. You can do loads and loads of different shapes that you want to do. It's a really fun and relaxing thing to help your mind and to help your body. So to get started, what I would like you to do is to grab your pencil and do a dot in each corner of your rectangle like I have done. Once you've done that, get your fine liner or your pen and draw a border attaching all of those dots together. So as you can see, I am doing a zigzag curvy line to get them all together. This will be for your border around your bookmark. Once you've done your border, you can then get your pen again and divide up the space in different shapes like I am. You can do squares, you can do rectangles, triangles, you can even do circles if you want. You can then start making different patterns in all the different shapes that you have drawn. So either get your fine liners or your felt tip pens and start drawing a pattern. So for example, I've started by doing a triangle zigzag line using a blue pen. You want to do this pattern in the whole section so that it is completed with the zigzag lines. Once you finish doing your first pattern in the first shape that you've drawn, you can then move on to your second section and do a complete different pattern that you would like. You can do lots of different shapes such as curls, you can do squiggly lines, you can do flowers, you can do squares, you can do anything that comes into your mind. And remember, you can use different colours for each section to make it really colourful. If you would like to make your piece stand out a bit more, you can use your black pen to make little patterns within the actual patterns that you've done. So you'll see that I added a few lines and a few dots. Once you have finished your Zentangle bookmark, you can then write your name underneath and look at the amazing artwork that you have done. I hope you enjoyed making your Zentangle bookmark. Thank you for joining me.